How much Grand Resort? Ei se tiedä sitä. Ei se tiedä sitä. You don't know. You know where is Grand Resort? No.
Egyptian or Euro?
Egyptian.
Egyptian?
Yes.
300.
Huh?
300.
700. Oh, too much. Yeah. No, se on
sama juttu.
No, se on semmoista tinkimistä, totta.
Ei, kaikki on sama. Varmaan täälläkin tehdään se Mihin vaan varmaan 300.
700.
700. Mä luulen, että 300. Anna ei edes tiedä.
Ei se tiedä missä se on. Ei se tiedä sloukkuun. Se seuraa meitä nyt. Mitä? Mikä on? No. Nyt siitä tuli riasa.
Hello. Cigarette.
No cigarette.
1 euro.
Siitä tuli nyt riasa. Pitäisikö meidän mennä takaisinpäin, kun se seuraa meitä? Ei se tossa on koko ajan on. Tää? Mihin? Jonne takaspäin vaan. Mihin se tulee kääntyy sitten? Kääntyy
Mene takaisin.
Mennään syömään. Ei se edes tiennyt mikä se on. Mennään istuu johonkin.
Check my price. Good price.
Niin on. Tuut sä kysyä kanssa? How much Grand Resort? Yes.
How much?
300.
No niin, Milena.
Saat sä sen ettei ne kaadu sinne?
Joo, minä otan.
Ota se, että se muuten joutuu maksaa.
Joo, minä otan vastaan.
Coca-Cola. You know hotel?
Yes, I know.
Yeah.
Sheraton Resort.
Ramadan lights.
Yeah. You know Ramadan?
Yeah.
What you from?
Finland.
Finland?
Finland, yes.
Finland next to China. Yes?
Oh, no. Europe.
Europe, Finland.
Finland, yes.
This is not from Finland.
No.
China.
No China.
Well, why? No.
Indonesia.
Yes, where's
Indonesia.
Indonesia, Pakistan, India. What is the same?
It's not same.
No, it's the same. It's the same face.
No.
Face the same.
No, it's a very different.
Chinese is like this.
Yes.
She is not.
But I am not.
It's like I say, you Iraq.
Iraq?
Iraq. You Iraq.
You?
You.
No.
Yes, it's like same. You look like Iraq.
Yes, the same, Iraq. Yes, the same. Egypt.
No, it's not same. Nordic Europe.
Yes.
Yes, Finland.
Finland.
Finland is Nordic Europe. Snow. You know snow?
Yes, I know snow,
Yeah.
rain, snow.
Yes, there are.
How many degrees?
Now minus 20.
20 down zero?
Yes.
Oh, catastrophe.
Yes, catastrophe. When you pee, shh, frozen. Good.
Oh. But very cold.
Yeah.
In Finland, they speak Finland or they speak English?
Finland.
Finland?
Yes, own language. Yes.
Oh.
Yes, I like this. Hurghada. Yeah.
And you in Egypt?
What you? How many days?
Yes, how many days?
1 week. Only 1 week. 7 days.
That's good.
Not so many.
A change in cold.
Yes.
With cold every day people not nice. Cold.
Yeah, really? You think?
Yes, people very sad.
Sad. Yes, sad. But I am not Russian, no.
Not Russian?
Russian.
Russian?
Yeah. Tämä on McDonald's.
Yes.
Tämä on kauppakeskus.
Shopping mall.
Yes.
Shopping.
Yes.
Ah. It's new.
Yes, new.
Oh.
What's it?
But no more big.
Not so big.
Yes. But
Senso better.
Yes, very big.
Yes,
Over here expensive, Senso expensive.
a little bit.
Mikä tämä on? Esplanade.
Esplanade Mall.
Ei niin kaikki auki.
Small. Red Sea Bazaar best. Fixed price.
Mikä toi iso?
What is this?
More.
What is this? Shopping center.
Yes, shopping center.
What is shopping center?
Big nearby. Not so far.
Little
Little put on
This is your week.
yes, we are
Ah,
straight.
your week.
Yes, yes.
And
I know.
hotel.
Yes. Samalla tiellä on tämä.
Täällä on parempi. Tää on parempi. Ehkä voi mennä tänne.
Niin, sitä voi kävellä.
Tomorrow you walk.
Yes, tomorrow we can walk.
In the street.
Yes, try.
Katsotaan. 1,5 kilometriä.
Joo,
Yes.
joo.
5 minutes. 20 minuuttia kävelletään.
Joo. Huomenna iso.
Täällähän on vaikka mitä.
Joo. Huomenna iso.
But area here you careful. Expensive in tourists.
Expensive.
Yeah.
Very expensive. Is 300 normal price.
Yes. Normal went up. Yani no.
Yes, yes,
yes, you know.
I know.
Yes,
I know
but
the
this is in up. Yeah.
Yes, this
Not normal in price people Egyptian.
yes.
You tourists okay, no problem.
Yes, I know.
But
I know.
more.
No, yes.
Yes.
I just asking, it's normal. Because somebody asking 800.
No.
It's too much.
No. But yani, you downtown in Sheraton, you tell me in 200, but okay, no problem.
Yes. Our hotel price is 300.
But you in hotel, you outside hotel in taxi, waiting outside hotel.
No.
Expensive.
Yes, very expensive. But our hotel taxi.
Yes.
We have it's 300.
But 300 is very good.
Yes.
Very good.
Yeah. Here is no Ramadan lights. Like Sheraton, many lights.
In summer in Sheraton, very busy people.
Yes.
And tourists. But now cold.
Yeah, a little bit cold. Yeah. But it's okay for
And for me cold.
Yeah.
For you no.
for me. Okay. Mango market fixed price.
Goma?
Mango fixed price.
No price.
Little
In
bit
street, this no price.
Yeah. That's a fixed price.
Yes.
This mango otter is
No.
too expensive.
Very expensive.
Some crazy people. Every crazy.
But in the street, this
Yeah.
no, this is the street tourist.
Yeah.
But you know Dahar Bazaar?
Yes.
You know?
Dahar, yes.
Dahar.
Dahar Bazaar.
Yes.
Very good, very cheap.
Yes, I like to go, but I don't know.
Ah, you go. Dahar Bazaar. It's good, Dahar Bazaar.
It's local.
Yes.
Egyptian people, yes.
Yes, Egyptian.
There is Ramadan lights. Dahar.
Dahar?
Dahar have some Ramadan.
Yes. From
Very good.
Ramadan, yes.
Yeah, very good.
People Egyptian. Good price.
And good price.
Tahir, yes?
Yes.
Yes.
You know. Very good.
You don't care and drive in waiting here. You need taxi. No, you
No,
don't
yes.
care. But very expensive.
Very expensive. Our taxi is 300.
Okay, bro.
Thank you very much.
See you.
Shukran.